Welcome to Western Continuing Studies. My name is Nicole and I'm the Academic Program Manager for the Post-Degree Diploma programs. We're thrilled to have you join us and look forward to working with you in the upcoming year. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to register for your fall-winter courses. In the morning on July 2nd, which is the first day you're eligible to register, you'll receive an email that looks exactly like the one displayed here. Today, I'm going to register for the Diploma in Marketing. However, all of your registration emails and the registration processes will look the same as this. So to get started, click on the link here. You'll be redirected to a page that looks like this. In this instance, it will be the Diploma in Marketing. You're going to enroll in a bundle, which you'll see located on the right-hand side. What you'll want to do underneath the Enroll Now, Select a Bundle is click Add to Cart. You'll see a screen that looks like this. It will have every course that you'll be taking in fall-winter. You want to ensure that you select every section as you go down. Now for OHS, there will be two sections, one for in-class and one for online, so make sure that you're selecting the right one. Go down and select every section. Including the practicum. Then click Continue. So we'll scroll down and make sure you should see the bundle as well as all of your classes located here. Click Checkout and it should say $0 at the bottom. Now the reason it says that is because your fee bill is actually generated through the Office of the Registrar and will be visible in your Student Center account. So to get you registered today, you should see a $0 reflected in your balance before you get to this screen. You will click here because you have an @UWO identity. For the purpose of this video, I'm using a test user, so I'm going to log in down here. Once you've logged in, you'll arrive at this screen again. Simply click Checkout. You'll be redirected to this screen. That's just going to confirm all of your contact information. Scroll down, look through, make sure everything is up to date. Click Continue to Checkout. When you arrive at the payment screen, you should receive a $0 balance. Answer the questions at the bottom and continue to check out. Once you receive a receipt and a notification email that you've successfully registered in your courses, the process is all done. If at any point you have any questions or you run into any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach us by phone at 519-661-3658, or you can utilize the post-degree@uwo.ca email address. Thank you so much for joining me, and we look forward to seeing you in September.